A very good morning to all. So today we are going to start our MCQs of chapter 3. So the first question is here, all factors of 6. All factors of 6, student, we can say that all factors of 6 will be 1, 2, because 6 is divisible by also 1, 2 and 3, and also this one is divisible by 6. So we can say that all factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So our option number 4th, D. Next one is, which of the following is an odd composite number? Composite number, that means a number which has more than 2 factors. That means here 7 is a prime number, so it has only 2 factors, 1 and 7. And next 9 is not a prime number, that means it's a composite number and also it's a odd number. So we can say that our option B is correct. Now third question, the number of even numbers between 60 and 90 is. That means we have to find that even numbers between 68 and 90. So we can write after it 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, then 80, then 82, then 84, 86, 88. So now we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can say that the number of even numbers between 68 and 90 is 10. Next one, which of the following is a prime number? So student, here 69 is divisible by 3. We can check here 87, that means the sum of 8 and 7 is 15 and 15 is divisible by 3. So this one is not a prime number. Next 91 can come in table of 13. 13 7 ja 91. So this one is also not a prime number. So we can say that 97 is a prime number. Next one, which of the following is a twin prime number? Twin prime numbers, that means we have two prime numbers which has differences 2. So we can check here 19 and 21. Here 19 is prime number but 21 is not a prime number. So this one is not a twin prime pair. Next is 43 and 47. Here 43, 47. These two are prime number but their difference is 4. So we can't say that they are twin prime. Next one, 59 and 61. Both are prime number and their difference is 2. So we can say that this one is the twin prime. So our next question, the number of distinct prime factors of largest 4-digit number. So we will find that prime factors of largest 4-digit number, and largest 4-digit number is 9999. So here we will find that prime factors. So first by 3, then again by 3. Now again we can divide it by 11. And next one, we get the prime factors of largest 4-digit number is 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. And also that 1 is always the prime factor of every number. So here we can say that we have 4 distinct prime number, that is first is 3, 11, 101 and 1. So here 4 distinct are prime factors of largest 4-digit number. And student, here we will not consider 1 because 1 is not a prime number. We can only consider it when we are calculating the factors. So simply we can say that 1, 2 and 3. Here 3 prime factors that are distinct. So our option number B is correct. And our next question, the number of distinct prime factors of the smallest 5-digit number. So we will calculate same as it is as 6th question. Now going to the 8th, the sum of prime factors of 1729. So here we will find the prime factors of 1729 first by, we will check by 3. So 7, 8, 19. So the sum of this is 19 and it's not divisible by 3. And next we will try to divide it by 7. So if when we divide by 7, we get 247. So again we will divide by 7. It will not divide by 7. And next we will try by 11. It's also not divisible by 11. And now by 13. Here it's divisible by 13. So now we will divide by 13. We get 13 1 ja 13, and next 13 9 ja 117. So here student, we get 3 prime factors, that is we can write 1729 is 7 into 13 into 9. And now we are going to calculate the sum. So here 13 plus 7 is 20 and 19 is 39. So we can say that their sum is 39. So next question is, which of the following is a pair of co-prime number? Pair of co-prime numbers, that means their common factor should be 1. Here 8 and 45. 8 and 45, their common factor is 1. So this one is the co-prime number, because in next one 3 and 18 is also divisible by 3. In next 5 and 35 is also divisible by 5. And here 6 and 39 both are also divisible by 3. That means they have also common factor is 3. And 8 and 45 has only one common factor, that is 1. So this is a pair of co-prime number. So going to the next question. Every natural number has an infinite number of prime factors? No. Factors? No, because prime factors and factors of every number has limited. So we can say that multiple of every natural number has infinite. Next, which of the following number is divisible by 4? So for the divisibility of 4, we will check that last 2 digits of every number should be divisible by 4. So the first option, we have 94 in last 2 digits, and here 94 is not divisible by 4. So we will go to the next option. The last 2 digits are 84. 84 is divisible by 4 because 4 2 ja 8 and 4 1 ja 4. So we can say that second option is correct. Next, which of the following number is divisible by 8? So for the divisibility of 8, we will check the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Here 786. So we will check 786 is divisible by 8 or not? Eight 9 ja 72 and we have 66. Now 8 8 ja 64 and we get a remainder 2. So this one is not completely divisible. And next option, last 3 digits are 2 6 8. So 2 6 8 we try with 8. 8 3 ja 24 and 8 3 ja again 24, we get the remainder 4. So also second option is not correct. And next one is 678. Also we will try by 8. We get again a remainder 6. So this one is also not divisible by 8. And the last option 568, here we will try by 8. 8 7 ja 56 and 8 1 ja 8 and the remainder is 0. So we can say that the last option is correct. So student, which of the following is divisible by 3? So we know the divisibility by 3. We can check by adding the digits of the numbers, and same as it is we can check by the adding digits of the number for the divisibility of 9. And next, for the divisibility by 6, we will check by both 2 and 3. So we can also do the question. And question number 16, the digit by which star should be replaced in 5 4 star 2 8 1 so that the number formed is divisible by 9. For the divisibility of 9, we will check that sum of all digits of number should be divisible by 9. So here we will add the digits. So we get 5 plus 4 9, then 2 11 and 8 19 and 1 20. So which number is divisible by 9? We have sum is 20. So 9 3 ja 27. So we can say that 27 is divisible by 9. So we can replace star by 7. And when we replace star by 7, we get the sum is 27. Now the next question, the digit by which star should be replaced in 7 2 5 4 star 9 8 so that the number formed is divisible by 22. Here for the divisibility by 22, that means the number should be divisible by 2 and 11 also, because 22 has two factors, 2 and 11. And here the number is divisible by 2 because the last unit place is 8. Which one is divisible by 2? So here we will check the divisibility by 11. So for the divisibility of 11, we will add that even place digit. So first even place digit, when we are adding, we get 9 plus 4 plus 2. And for odd place, we get 8 plus star plus 5 plus 7. So here 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 2 15. Here 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 7 is 20 plus star. That means when we subtract odd place, even place digit from odd place, we get the difference 5. That means here the number should be 11. That means when we add 6 in star, the number will be divisible by 11. So we can replace star by 6. So our option D is correct. Now the next question, if a number is divisible by 5 and 6 both, then it may be divisible by, then the number is also divisible by the product of these two. That means the number is divisible by 30. The number of common prime factors of 60, 75 and 105 is, we can find the common prime factors of the number. It's easy. And next, the HCF of 144 and 198. Yes, we can solve it easily. And the next question, the LCM of 30 and 45. We can also do it. And next 22, if the product of two number is 15 and their product, if the HCF of two number is 15 and their product is 1575, then their LCM is, student, we know the formula that product of two number equals to HCF into LCM, and here we can find LCM equals to product of two number upon HCF, and we know the product of two number is 1575 and their HCF is 15. So we can divide this by 15. 15 1 ja 15, 0, 15 5 ja 75. So we can say that the LCM will be 105. In next one, if the LCM of two natural number is 80, then which of the following is not the HCF of the number? So LCM of every number is also divisible by the HCF of the number. That means here 180 is divisible by 45. No, because 180 is not divisible by 45. And next 180 we will check by 60. Here 180 is divisible by 60 properly, because 0 to 0 cancel and 6 3 ja 18. So we can say that 60 is the HCF and 90 is also the HCF. And we will try by 45 and 75. Here when we divide 180 by 45, 5 9 ja 45, 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30, and 9 4 ja 36. So we can say that 45 is also that HCF, and that means 180 is also divisible by 45. So we can say that 180 is not divisible by 75, and that means it can't be that HCF of these two numbers whose LCM is 180. So here we have completed our MCQs.